Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another video of what's sold. This time I'm going to be focusing on eBay and one item that's sold on Facebook Marketplace. Stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing what it was. It's just something that has been sitting in my closet for the longest, and I was just so happy and so glad that it's sold. I think it sold within, I think I listed that item on a Friday and it was gone by Sunday, so you have no idea how excited I was to get that item just out of the way, out the door. I was just so happy. So that is just my disclaimer. So as I said, I'm going to be talking about what sold on eBay and Facebook Marketplace. This is going to be the week between March 8th and March 21st. So about a 2-week period. I am gonna say, guys, I had the most horrible past 2 weeks, not in my personal life, but in my business, not my business, but in selling. I mean, these past 2 weeks have been so slow, barely been making any sales in this couple weeks. And that's why I decided, and instead of making just a 1 week, what sold for me in 1 week, I did it 2, because that's how slow and how bad sales were. Mind you, not only how sales were down, but also the profit. I was getting lowballed so bad, and some of them I did accept just because I was like, whatever, I don't want this item sitting in my closet anymore. I don't want this item sitting on the shelf any longer, so fine, take this item. Honestly, it was just not a good 2 weeks. So you're gonna see as we go through this whole what sold video, you guys are just gonna see how low my profit was these couple weeks. It was just not good. However, I always say every penny, every dime counts. So it's $1 you didn't have before, now you got it. So anyways, that is just my rant of the day, hopefully. All right, so the first thing that we're looking at, guys, I'm gonna be looking at my computer. So if I'm looking away from the camera, it's really because I'm looking at my computer too. It's like right in front of my face. But you're looking here at this vintage Tommy Hilfiger basketball tank top jersey, whatever you want to call this. I've had this listed forever. I really had it forever. So when someone made an offer on it, I was like, yes, finally, take it, please. I originally had it listed for like $24.99, and somebody gave me a best offer of $20. Of course, that was not a horrible offer. So I went ahead and accepted, and honestly, I was just glad that this item was no longer in my closet. I got it at my local thrift shop. It was a little bit expensive. My bad. It was my fault for purchasing such of an expensive item for such a low profit, and I'm gonna explain why. So this item cost me $8.99. Resellers out there never do this. They try to buy things that are very dirt cheap so that they can, sell them for a bigger profit. But unfortunately, the thrift stores around my area, they're all so expensive. That's why I've decided to just start purchasing liquidation items. That's honestly one of the reasons, because some of our thrift stores around here, they sell their stuff pretty expensive. It's like they know that people are selling or reselling online, and they're just trying to be like, you know what, I'm gonna sell this item just as expensive so that we can make our money. Anyways, this item cost me $8.99. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $4.85. See, that was pretty low. So we got this JJ Young Pore Glow face mask, and this is an item that I also obtained from one of my personal care liquidation boxes. So this item only cost me like $2.25, if memory serves. Originally I had it listed for $14.99. An awesome buyer purchased it for the full asking price. So after total cost of goods, shipping and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was $7.01. So this was an excellent sale. Next, here we have this genuine black and white bleaching cream, and I can't pronounce the following word, but anyways, I don't know, I've never even seen it. I don't know if it's supposed to like even out your skin, you know, if you have kind of dark spots in certain areas of your face, it's supposed to help. I'm assuming that's what people use it for, just by the name, and you know, that hydro, I'm not even gonna attempt. But anyways, this is another item that I got from my liquidation for personal care. So this item cost me about $2.25. I had it listed for $24.91, and another awesome buyer purchased it for the full asking price. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my profit was $16.46. That was awesome. Next, we have this J. Crew pair of jeans, dark wash, and I had it listed, I believe, for $21.99, and someone gave me an offer of $18. Not a big, you know, not a big difference, you know, a few bucks off, and why not, you know. But again, this item did cost me about $5.99 if memory serves at my local thrift shop. So after total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, I only made a profit of $4.40. It was like wah, wah, wah. It was not that good. All right, so next we have these Rainbow Light prenatal tablets, or multivitamin tablets. I originally had these items listed for, I believe, $17.62 for both of them. And someone gave me a lowball offer of $12. And I sat there and thought about it and thought about it. Should I counter offer? If I counter offer, is it going to make the person, you know, not purchase it? Like, is it gonna just kill the sale? I just kind of went back and forth, but you know what? I was like, you know what? These have an expiration by the end of the year, which is not that bad. And honestly, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of them. So I got these items from my personal care liquidation box that I recently opened, I believe last month. After total cost of goods, shipping, and eBay fees, my total profit for this item was only $1.58. What a bummer. It was such a low ball offer, and that's what I'm talking about, low ball offers. Sometimes, like I said, if there's an item that I really think that has value, I'm gonna try to counter offer it to try to get it as close to the asking price. But if it's really something that is really not a big deal, because I did some research, I was kind of scrolling down on what sold for these particular items in the past, and you know what? Some people have sold these multivitamins for around that price, so that's why I was like, okay, it does sell for this, so why not? So I made that exception based on some of the research that I made, but you want to be selective. You don't want to get so low ball that you set such low ball offers if it's something that has sold for more. Now, because this item sold around this price, I was comfortable with accepting that price, but I still made $1.58 more, you know, so I still made a little more than what was paid for. That's why I was a little comfortable. All right, so the last thing that I sold was this L'Oreal Paris Signature Lip Stain, and it's a mixed lot of 18, so it had 18 pieces. This is some lipstick that I've been having for the longest. I got these from a liquidation for cosmetics, and honestly, I've made a video of how bad sales were on these cosmetics, your local drugstore cosmetics, And I talked about how the profit is just so low. So, and I did mention that I was planning to just go ahead and bulk them up and sell them in bulks. And that's exactly what I did. Now, after I listed these, was I believe on a Friday, and they were sold by Sunday. There was a lot of viewers. There was people inquiring about these. I had these originally listed for $28, and I decided just to run a 5% sale. And so I think they came up to $26 and some change. I can't remember exactly, but somebody paid for the asking price. So anyway, somebody paid for it with the 5% discount, which came down to 26 and some change. So my total profit for this item was $24.82. And honestly, that was the best sell of the week for me, because sales were just so slow. And so when I sold this, and with Facebook, I mean, their fees are really low. And so my profit was great. The customer paid for shipping, which was excellent, because on eBay, I try to have free shipping, and I do try to incorporate shipping into the price sometimes. But the bad thing is that people usually make offers because you have the offer thing available. And when you get lowball offers, that eats up some of your profit. And so that's why sometimes I use this eBay calculator just to see if it's gonna put me in the red or it's gonna put me in the green. As long as I am in the green, I usually accept the offer or try to counter offer if I think that the item is more valuable. Now, if it's an item that it's not a big deal, and you know that this item may sit a while if you don't sell it, that's when I will accept a lowball offer. And but again, when people give you lowball offers and you're offering and you're providing free shipping, that eats up your profit. So that's the only bad thing. Well, thank you so much, guys. That is all that I had for you guys today, this week. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoy this type of content and I can continue making it for you. Hit that subscribe button so you can be part of my journey, and I'll see you guys in my next video.